Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 2, this is about the constant, so we have number 0 in here. First derivative of sine x, we have cosine x. Next, we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put about the negative, go to the left. Next, this one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by negative du. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 8 over 8, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.